Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yukon XL 2018. The customer complained rear aircon blower inoperative. First, verify. No air coming from the vent, and then and also the rear floor vent, no air coming. So indication guys, the rear blower motor inoperative. So guys, confirm the rear blower motor is inoperative. So for this video guys, I'm going to share the step-by-step diagnostic procedure. Guys, first you need to check the rear AC control. How to check the control? You need a scan tool. To check and verify the parameter. HVAC control module. Find the HVAC control module. Okay. Select the data display and go to rear HVAC data. Okay guys, so the auxiliary blower motor speed is 0%. So try to operate or press the switch of blower to high speed, and then observe the data parameter guys. So now 90%. So I try to blow the blower, so it changed. So indication guys, this switch is working properly. Okay. This is the fuse guys of the rear blower motor. So the fuse is good. Okay. Make sure guys the ignition is off. Disconnect this connector black color side. Ground circuit, B plus circuit. Set to ohms. Check the resistance of the ground circuit less than 10 ohms. 1.2, it means the ground circuit is good. If ever guys the resistance is greater than 10 ohms, you need to check the ground circuit for open or high resistance. Ignition on. Set voltmeter tester. Check the B plus circuit. $12 volts, it means guys the B plus circuit is good. If ever guys 0 volts, and then the 30 amps fuse of the rear blower motor is good, you need to check the wire for open circuit. Okay, connect the connector. Disconnect the connector of the blower motor. Terminal E and B. Check terminal E for voltage. So 12 volts. So it means guys the B plus is good. From this 30 amps to this black connector up to this connector, so it means the B plus is good. Okay, if ever guys this connector of the blower motor is 0 volt, your fuse 30 amps is good, and then this connector the B plus is good, and also the wire from this connector of the blower up to this connector is good. Replace the rear blower motor control module. This one, this is a blower control module. Okay, and then the last test, connect this lamp in the blower motor connector between terminal E and terminal B. Okay, then verify that this lamp becomes progressively brighter as the blower speed is increased. Okay, okay pre, up. Okay, good pare, good na pare. Okay, yes. Okay guys, the circuit is good. So the test lamp guys becomes progressively brighter as the speed of the blower is increased. So now I'm going to replace the rear blower motor assembly. Okay, lang pre, motor na ko pre. Magiging mo get pre, grabe no? now guys, the rear AC blower working good. Okay, thank you for watching guys.